Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy.
All right, guys, I'm here with D. Tell us a little bit about your rig, man.
That's a 1966 Chevy C10, man. Got it for about 9 years, man, and we mess with it on and off, man. So every little while, I do a little upgrade, man. 9-year project, man.
9 years.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
Hey, man, every time you get done, you change it up. The interior, man, was a Benz seat. Custom interior now. You see that bucket seat? Had a 315, they'll pull that out. You drop a 5.3 liter in there, man. So, I mean, it's a project, man. It's gonna keep going. They never finish, bro. They never finish.
I see.
You know, you think you get done, man, you got a little more to go. So, we'll see where we go with it.
Well, so you've had it for 9 years. So was this original paint color or?
Man, it was a banana project, man. You wouldn't even know this, man. It was old, bro.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I had to get a whole new cab and everything. That's how bad it was, man.
Oh, really?
That came with it. 350 both heads was cracked and stuff like that. So it needed a lot of work, man. So I just took it all the way down to the frame, man, and built it back up slowly, man. So here we are now.
Man, it's beautiful, man.
I appreciate you, man.
You could pretty much say 10 years in the making.
Pretty much, yeah.
You ran into a lot of obstacles with the cab, and what were some other issues that you kind of ran into with, you know, restoring an older vehicle?
Oh, well, the only issue, man, is like the body work, man. The body, you needed a lot of body work, man. So, I mean, everybody, man, 350, anybody can fix a 350 and stuff like that. So I got some friends that helped me out and stuff like that, man, get it where it needs to be. And then I took it to a shop, had to put it all together because I had all the parts. And I was working on the road, so I had all the parts and stuff. And I took it to a Ford to paint the body, and they put it all back together. But then once I had it there, then I started changing stuff again, man. So it's just a going project, man. On and on project, man. Just keep going.
Awesome.
It's the interior, man. Let's check it out. I don't know if you see the interior, man, but
everything. I'll get you the link and channel, man. Yeah.
Check it out, man.
Yeah, definitely just want to bring like a light and everything to
cool,
local. I got a couple LS swaps going on. Trying to do everything myself, though.
Oh yeah, it ain't easy, though, man. I mean,
no, it ain't easy.
Between me and YouTube, bro. Between YouTube like this, bro.
Yeah, and that's a lot of it. And that's where with my channel, I put the problems out there too.
Yeah, okay, got you.
So it's not just like, hey, here's the engine.
Yeah.
Boom, now it's in my car, now it's running. You know what I'm saying? To walk people through the problems that you kind of run into.
You're running, man. Like I said, this right here, I had the shop put it in, but then I started doing little stuff to tweak it here and there. And people show me, you know what I'm saying? Like the valve cover, that's completely new. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, and I was noticing that.
He had the plastic cover over here. I didn't like that look, so that guy hooked me up and he shaved all that stuff, clean that. He just my cord to the side, so I'll give you a cleaner look.
Yeah.
Everybody got the cover on here, and nobody seen this yet, man. It's all.
Yeah, we were actually noticing that too. Like we like how you had the Corpex off to the side.
Yeah, man. So just give a cleaner look down the center, man.
That's good. It's just the little things.
Yeah, well, yeah, man. Just different from everybody. Just that one little thing, man. You know what I'm saying? That was the engine out of a 03 Suburban, man. 03 Suburban, so I took the engine and transmission. I just put it in here, man.
I got one at the house.
Yeah.
And I'm about to put in my
he
car.
about to do one too. Like we call like we ain't here yet. You know what I'm saying? We just trying to get all together and get them to the meets and stuff. You know what I'm saying?
I just went to Houston to pick up an engine out of a 2016 Chevy Suburban.
Oh really?
Engine and transmission. Because I have a 66 Suburban, look just like this, but the back is a Suburban.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put a 2016 engine up in there, man. This is 03. And I'm putting 2016 in the 66 Suburban. Yeah, she under construction right now. That's the twin to this one.
Yeah, we have to be on the lookout for that one.
Everything is gonna be the same, man.
Oh wow.
So they're gonna be twins.
I'll be in the truck, the old lady be in the Suburban. Good to go. Set it off.
Hey, that's the way to pull up. Marriage goals.
Yeah. She helped me buy all this shit, so she might as well get one out the deal, man. I can't bring shit else over because I got a little collection of shit out the house, man.
That sounds like my wife.
I got this. I got a 66 Chevelle SS, man. I got the Suburban. I got
you like 66, huh?
That's when I was born, man. That's when I was
See, that's how I started too. It was 85. I was looking for everything at 85.
All my clothes are 66 and all my clothes gonna be red, bro.
Yeah. I like that. I like that.
Like I said, man, they never ending projects, man. Every time you think you're done, man, you want to do something that's a little different, man. That's all good. I got no problem.
Well, she definitely is a beauty, man. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to speak with us, D.